Alright, so I actually got a wee head start on this one just because it's such an easy recipe that I've actually just started making the pasta. It's such a simple pasta sauce recipe that I just, all I've done is I've just put some pasta into water, some fusilli pasta, and that's all. So this is the simplest tomato sauce that you can do. Just nothing to it, tomato and basil sauce. I'm going to put some peppers in it as well. Don't want to don't waste anything. Shall eke the last out of that. Fair amount of olive oil. That's a good kind of part of the sauce. That's actually maybe a bit too much, but extra virgin, good quality stuff. Maybe a bit too much actually, but that'll be fine. The pasta will soak it up. Again, baby plum tomatoes, probably my favourite ones, and just loads of these. Yeah, this was one of the Jamie Olivers where he was. Jamie does some place Italy, or some place in Italy, some region or whatever, and I think that was one of these recipes, one of these from that series. He didn't put peppers in it, but because I've just got these peppers, I'm just going to put a wee bit in, because why not, just another vegetable. Whatever shape and size you can be bothered making them. Garlic, do I want garlic in this? I'm not sure. I'm going to not put garlic in this. I'm just going to go lots of basil. This basil's a couple of days past the sell by date, so that's why I thought I'd use this today. It's not very good, it's a wee bit black. We'll just pick out the black bits. Yeah, the basil doesn't last very well in the fridge. It's not very good, is it? I think what we'll do is pick out these black bits and then I'll just put everything else into this. So I was going to just use half a packet of basil for this, but half of this packet is no good. So, but even if you've bought this basil and it looks like this, you can just cut out the bad bits and the rest is absolutely fine. Yeah, see, that's perfectly good. Nothing, no black bits in there now, so just got that in a medium heat. just a bit of parsley as well, just because I've got it. Just wrap it up nice and tight so it lasts. Oh, I've got some chives. Chives are nah, they're no good. These chives ran out of date 4 days ago. I didn't notice them hiding in the back there, because they would have gone into this fine as well. So the liquid comes out of the tomatoes and it mixes with the olive oil, and it makes quite a nice sauce. Turn that pasta off. Feta. So we've got this feta cheese, which I quite like. I like the saltiness of it, kind of quite rich. Just going to crumble a bit of that over at the end. Dishwasher is full, so I have no bowls. A good pinch of pepper and a good pinch of salt. So all that is tomatoes, peppers, olive oil, salt and pepper, and that's it. That's just out because it just reminds me to buy pasta, reminds me to buy more plain flour, reminds me to buy more cat food. That's why I leave these things out. Because I do like a nice clean worktop, and this is just a wee last bit of red wine I'm going to drink just now. I'll turn that off. That's the pasta just cooked for its normal length of time, which in my case is overcooked. Put the pasta in, put a load of basil in. Turn the heat off now, so just fold these bits of herbs in. And that's done, and the pasta and the herbs should all absorb up that sauce made from the tomato liquid and the olive oil. So, you know, it just doesn't get simpler than that. That's just tomatoes, basil, olive oil, peppers, salt and pepper, and that's it. A bit of parsley because I had it. This could cool down and you could eat it cold as well. You can make a batch of this up and eat it as a pasta salad tomorrow, over the next couple of days. With all the oil that's in that, it will preserve it nicely. And that's it, done. I like that just because it's so simple, there's nothing to it. And you're getting vegetables, good olive oil, carbohydrates for the pasta, and a wee bit of protein. And do you get protein? Whatever it is you get from cheese. Again, using the rubber spatula to clean that pot. You could put any kind of cheese on that. I just went with the feta, but cheddar cheese would be good, or parmesan, mozzarella, anything at all is good. Whatever you've got, whatever you prefer. Two wee pans and easy to clean up. It's nice colours. It's just going to get better now. Just crumble that over. Now the colours are even better, nice contrast and sharp white colour with the cheese. And that's done. Tomato and basil pasta, feta cheese. Nice and simple. Benefits of living in your own. I licked the plate and I drank the wine straight out of the bottle. Saves washing a glass.